Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Taylor. This is part 2 of making my paint palette. In this video, I demolded and cleaned it up and did the top coat, and I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys did, give me a thumbs up, subscribe for more. I do post videos every Thursday and Sunday. I am working really hard to get consistent for you guys and just get videos out there. Alright guys, so it's been like 2 seconds for you. It's been 2 days for me. So, I am excited. It turned out pretty cool, if I do say so myself. I'm definitely, I think, gonna have to do a top coat, but I told you guys that. I feel a couple big spots that are missing resin. But let's see if I can demold in a nice, clean way. Let's see if I can reuse this. Okay. Oh no. Clay is gonna come with it. That's alright. It's not gonna be clean. It's alright. Got a ton of clay to break off, but it looks pretty cool. Oh wow. Yeah, it does. Looks cool. I like it. So yeah, I definitely have to do a top coat because it had air pockets in the mat. The mat made this. I didn't pull it when the glue was still wet, so it made fun indents that I'm gonna have to fill in with top coat, well, with resin as a top coat, but that's okay. It turned out really cool otherwise. I have to clean up the sides. Got a ton of clay stuck to it. The clay was a pretty good idea. Might take a little bit to clean off, but that's fine. Well, I'm gonna keep this part. Maybe I'll do another one. up. There's still a little bit of clay left, but it wasn't completely hardened when I rinsed it off, which I'm a little worried about. But resin does take 72 hours to fully cure, so I should have thought about that. I'm gonna let it harden before, like fully, before I do the top coat and finish sanding. But it's pretty cool. Look, you see the little worms or whatever? They're cool. Right there. I don't know. Turned out pretty cool. So yeah. This is what I got. This is what I made. Much happier with its size. And I kept the hot glue outline. So let me know what I should do next. I definitely want to make another one. I mean, the clay is kind of a pain to clean up on the outside, but it's worth it. It's fun. I'm thinking, I'm thinking just alcohol ink next as decoration. Since that's what I wanted to do at first, but I went with pigments. Alright, so after I let it fully cure, I'm going to come back and do the top coat. See you in a sec. Let's do this, right? I don't have painter's tape, so duct tape is going to have to work. Hopefully it does work. I don't know if it's going to work. We'll see. Around the hole. That should be just fine. Okay. Alright. Now let's mix up my resin. if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you want to see more of my videos. I post every Thursday and Sunday, like I said. I hope you guys loved the outcome. I did. This was super fun to make. I definitely want to make another one. So let me know what I should do next. I'm thinking alcohol ink, because that's what I wanted to do at first, but I did pigments. So let me know. I don't know. I painted the sides black. Pretty cool. I'm very happy with it. Very happy with it. Do a paint. I'm ready.